Now the intro has been placed in the front of my video. That means in the starting of my video. So this is the audio file. Now if you want to add some background music, then you can choose your music from this. That means you can add your music from your own computer, or you can use their own music they provided with the software. As you can see, so I will use this. Now to adjust the video, you have several options, as I previously told: cut option, rotate option, crop option, color adjustment, transition wizard, etc. So I'm going to cut my video at some part. So I have cut my video and I will delete the extra file. So it has been deleted and it automatically adjusts itself. You can cut the video, audio all at the same time, at the same point also, by selecting all and keeping the slider at that particular point where you want to cut the video. As you can see, I have cut all the three videos, all the three files. Now I will delete the extra file. So now the last part of the file, that is outro, adjusted itself. So this is my whole video, that is intro, my main video, and the outro at the last. I have the background music, I have the audio file. So for this video I am deleting the audio file, I am just keeping the background music. So this is the outro. Now as I have finished editing my video, I will preview the video once. For preview you can use this. I am doing fast forward because I have done this previously. Please don't mind, I have done nothing in this video. So after you have done your preview, and if there are so many cuts like this or like this, so many cuts, and you want to make them look good, then you can use the transition option. Go to transition option and add whichever you like. So I will use this. I will place this transition between two video clips, as you can see. Now let's see how this transition works. Great, it works good. So, and it is looking beautiful also. So we have used import option, transition option, and let's see what filters can do. They have different options, whichever you like you can use them. So for instance, I took this filter and applied on this video. Let's see how it works. As you can see, so like this you can use different filters, transition, etc. So now let's see how we can add text to our video. Click on text and see, you have all the text are shown here. For example, I will take this text and apply on our video. Now to edit the text, double click on the text and you can see the cursor here. So Now you can edit the text like this. You can also edit the font size, alignment, bold, italics, underline, etc. using this option. You can also change the color of the text. After that you can click on apply. Now let's see how the video looks. So this is how you can add text to your video. Now we have almost gone through all the options. So now if you are satisfied with your edit, so it is always better to save the project file before exporting. So after you have saved the file, go to export.